This is a Lamley showcase. I'm not going to showcase all of the Matchbox National Parks models for you. I've already done that, I think, recently, right? I think in one of our live feeds. I've done it actually 2 or 3 times. It's fun to look at them all together when you put everything released since 2006 all together. But we have a couple open slots and we have a couple of models coming, and I've got one to fill today. It's not a National Park showcase per se. It's a 5-pack showcase. But one of those models is the next National Parks model. So we are going to open this case up. It is the Matchbox Service Squad 5-pack. We should just get right to it. 5 models, of course, all very cool. Let's look at the back. There's a little bit of significance to this model. We'll talk about that in a second. This might be the more interesting one than even the National Parks. That's a street, and that's a van. All right, let's just get right to it. The first thing we got to do is open the thing up. Sometimes it's easier than others. Okay, let's go ahead and move this down just a little bit. Let's get to it. We'll start with this one. It is the Service Squad, so these are service-oriented vehicles. I'm going to guess that, they have the themes now. So Matchbox Service is what this is from. You'll see that correspond with some of the mainline basic models as well. This is a tractor. What's it called? Bulldozer. Nothing cute about it. It's called the Bulldozer, and it's a bulldozer. So we'll just move on. Next model is the one that we are going to add to the National Parks series. Service for city service, I guess National Parks doesn't work, but I don't care because this is the Hailcat. Because I don't mind another National Parks model. So this one comes in that obvious, in the mint green color. This is the High Sierra Transport. That's a great name for this one. It's got all of the other side. This is actually a really cool model. The deco on it, it's really nicely done. Really detailed for sure. So that makes this pack worth it. I'm going to go ahead and put this one in right there. Nice to see that family growing. All right, next one. It is the, what do they call this one? The Chevy van. Boy, I'm really good about the trying to figure out, but this is the Chevy van. And you can see the 50th anniversary Superfast on there. That is the logo. We've seen the Superfast line come out this year. It's part of the Opening Parts Premium, and they've named it Superfast, which I think is a great throwback homage to Superfast back, not only the real Superfast in the 60s and 70s, but even the reincarnation 15 years ago. So the Superfast name is back. It's nice to see it. 50th anniversary. It says from Lesney to Mattel, celebrating 50 years of Superfast. Now, this gold color, I'll get to what the actual models are. It's been previewed before, but this gold color is the new kind of quote-unquote chase model. We had the Sapphire Gems last year. It is now going to be this 50th in Superfast in gold. These will be Target exclusives. Now, this van is like the Jaguar E-Type from last year, where it was put in a 5-pack so that everyone would have access to it. Not just, you don't have to worry just about the store exclusives. We'll get to those store exclusives another time. They're pretty rad. I've seen some pictures. But for now, there is the first of the 50th Superfast models. It is the Chevy van. All right, done with that, right? Talked about that enough. Here is a very cool model. The Mountain Tours, Country Mountain Tours. It's the Volkswagen Golf Country in blue. This is the next version. So this one is cool because it retains its stock look. That country deco on the side is what this actual car looked like. It's got the taillights done, which is great. But now it has this Mountain Tours addition to it, so it's like a Mountain Tours car, right? Thankfully, it's 4-door. I'd be pretty claustrophobic touring around in one of those things if someone was driving for me. So, nice to see that. VW fans will be happy. And here's the old Desert Thunder. I'm looking at this one right now. We've got a lot of decos on it. We've got a lot of names. I'm guessing these are all folks associated with well, I mean, come on. It says Team Matchbox up top, and then it has all of these names on it. I don't see Abe's name. It might be there somewhere. But very, very cool. A way for the Matchbox team to say hello to us, do something fun for them to take home to their families. So really, really cool to see that. And the Desert Thunder gives you a lot of room on the side to put a lot of deco on it. And it's in the Matchbox colors. This is a good looking 5-pack, don't you guys think? I've already put the national parks, but that's kind of a who's who of great decos. You've got a stock deco with the VW. You've got a new celebratory deco with the van. You got a stock utility vehicle. You've got a very cool Matchbox branded Desert Thunder and National Parks right there. Great 5-pack, worth picking up. Thanks everybody for watching. Tell me what model's your favorite. Start looking for that gold stuff. Well, it's not coming yet, but it will. Bye.